If you are working with a Mulbury chalkboard that we make here, handmade on site in Hyatt, we recommend that you do not use liquid chalks. They'll stain your board, and even when you try and wipe it clean, they won't come clean. We recommend you just use regular chalks, regular sidewalk chalks. These are some Crayola ones, but you can also use some of these, no issue. To clean off, just use a wet rag to wipe clean. Better than using your old duster, which might not come off. And you've got a beautiful surface ready to go again. If you use your liquid chalks, that won't happen. You will get a terrible stain. Have fun with your chalks, people. The other thing we recommend when you are using your beautiful Mulbury chalkboard is when you are chalking it up, to grab yourself a cup of boiling water when you're marking your chalkboard up, just to dip your chalk in first before you do your writing. And this will give much even coverage, better colour. It's wet right here, but as it dries, the colour will come up, you'll get more even work, and it'll be much better. So take your chalk and dip into boiling water before you start marking up your chalkboard. These are happy hints from Mulbury.